Hey there, primetime enthusiasts. Welcome to the world of Amazon Prime, where convenience meets entertainment. Ever heard of Amazon Prime? If not, you're in for a treat. Of course you have. It's only the biggest thing since sliced bread, especially in the world of online shopping. Imagine getting everything you need with just a few clicks. Amazon Prime has completely changed the game, my friends. It's revolutionized how we shop and receive our packages. Gone are the days of waiting weeks for your package or paying outrageous shipping fees. No more frustration or hidden costs. With Amazon Prime, you get your goodies fast and often for free. Imagine the joy of receiving your package in just a day or two, but hold on, there's more. The benefits don't stop at fast deliveries. Prime isn't just about speedy deliveries, it's a whole entertainment package rolled into one. You get access to a vast library of content. Think free movies, TV shows, music, and even books. It's like having a personal entertainment center. It's like having a never-ending buffet of entertainment at your fingertips. You can enjoy it anytime, anywhere. And the best part? It's super easy to sign up. Just a few clicks and you're in. So, stick around as we break it all down for you step by step. We'll guide you through everything you need to know. Get ready to join the Prime family. It's a community of millions enjoying endless benefits. Okay, let's talk about the good stuff, what you get with Amazon Prime. It's more than just a subscription, it's a lifestyle upgrade. First up, free shipping. That's right, no more calculating delivery costs or scrambling for discount codes. Order what you want when you want, and it lands on your doorstep without emptying your wallet. Imagine the convenience of getting what you need fast and free. But wait, there's more. Prime Video is a game changer. Stream thousands of movies and TV shows, including Amazon originals you won't find anywhere else. Binge watching just got a whole lot easier. Whether you're into action, drama, or comedy, there's something for everyone. And if you're a bookworm, Prime Reading is calling your name. Enjoy unlimited access to a rotating selection of ebooks and magazines. Dive into bestsellers, discover new authors, and explore different genres without spending a dime. Plus, Prime members get exclusive deals and discounts that'll make your wallet sing. From daily essentials to luxury items, save big on a wide range of products. See? Told you it was good. With all these benefits, Amazon Prime truly offers something for everyone. Ready to dive into the world of Prime? It's an exciting journey that opens up a world of benefits and exclusive content. Here's how to sign up and get started with your Prime membership. First, head over to the Amazon website. It's a familiar place for most of us. You know the one, it's practically your homepage already. Amazon is where you find everything you need. Look for the Try Prime or Start Your Free Trial button. These buttons are your gateway to a world of convenience. It's usually right there at the top of the page, impossible to miss. Just a click away. Click on it and you'll be guided through a simple sign-up process. It's straightforward and user-friendly. You'll need to create an Amazon account if you don't already have one. This account will be your key to all Amazon services. Don't worry, it's super easy and only takes a minute. Just fill in your details and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, you can choose between a monthly or annual Prime membership. Pick the one that suits you best. Enter your payment information and voila, you're almost there. You're officially part of the Prime family. Welcome aboard. Enjoy all the perks and benefits that come with your membership. Section 4, Amazon by the numbers. A glimpse into the giant. Let's talk numbers for a second. Did you know that Amazon has over 200 million Prime members worldwide? That's more than the entire population of most countries. It's like one giant online family, and those Prime members are a happy bunch. They shop more often and spend more than non-Prime members. Why? Because Prime makes life easier and more fun. With free shipping, endless entertainment, and exclusive deals, it's no wonder people are jumping on the Prime bandwagon. And with so many benefits at your fingertips, it's hard to imagine shopping online without it. Section 5, ready to Prime? Take the plunge. So there you have it, folks, the lowdown on Amazon Prime. From free shipping to unlimited entertainment and exclusive deals, Prime is a game changer for online shoppers and entertainment enthusiasts alike. It's like having a personal assistant, a movie theater, and a bookstore all rolled into one. Signing up is a breeze, and the benefits are endless. So why wait? Take the plunge and join the millions of happy Prime members worldwide. Trust me, you won't regret it. And hey, if you ever need someone to binge watch Prime Video with, you know where to find me. Happy shopping and streaming.